Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me tell you about a new update that will be rolling out to all my plugins, to all my auto blogging plugins. So this update will be able to use the official Google Translate API for the translation process in the plugins I created. Until now, the plugins were able to use only an unofficial version of the Google Translate, and recently it started to have some limitations because Google started to ban IP addresses of servers, and its services and its functionality was pretty limited for some of you guys, not for everyone, because I still have many people and clients who report that the translation feature is fully functional for them, but for some servers and for some sites the Google Translate was not functioning anymore. So in this case I will show you guys how to still be able to use the Google Translate API with an official version. So all my plugins will receive this update. So if you are using any of the plugins that use the Google Translate functionality, you should go in the main settings, and here you should search for Google Translator API key optional. So as you can see, this is optional, so you don't have to enter this if the Google Translate feature is working for you. But if it is not working for you, the translation with feature is not providing translated content, then you should enter this field here, and I will show you what you should enter and how to configure it. So click on this link from the plugin. Now we are redirected to the Google Cloud platform. Here you should create a new project, or you should create an account if you don't have an account. I already have an account, I'm logged in, and now let's create a new project. So click here and new project. Let's give it a name. Click create. Wait until the project is fully created here, so it is processing now. Let's wait a bit and click view, and here it is, translation project is selected. Now go to the menu here, go to the marketplace and search for translate. Go to the cloud translation API. So here you should click enable. Click on enable billing, and you should add your credit card here because the translation API is free for a limited number of characters, and you can also limit the number of characters that the translation API will allow, and like this you will be sure that you will be not billed if you don't want this. So I will link in this video's description a detailed article on how to make sure that you will not be billed monthly for this API. So if you want to be billed, you can set here an account. I will switch here to a project where I have billing already enabled, and I have already enabled the translation API. So if you have already done this, now you can go to APIs and services, click credentials, and here we can go ahead and create credentials, create an API key, and here it is. So copy this key and paste it here in the plugin settings. Now we can go down and save settings. And after this we can go in the plugin and simply continue using it or start using the translation services. So I will use this feed to exemplify how it works. So import one article, And now, as usual, we can select here, for example, a language, for example, French, and source language is English. Save. Let's check my blog. It should be empty, and let's run importing of a simple article. Let's refresh the site, and here it is. The French content is imported. Okay, so this is all. This is how to configure the Google Translate API for the plugins. So keep in mind, you don't have to make this change if the translation is already working for you. This should be done only if the translation is not working on your server, or you have issues with the Google Translation. Then you should definitely switch to the Google Translation Translator official API. So yeah, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit also the bell notification to be notified each time I release a new video. I release new videos each day at 8 p.m. GMT, so please stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Have a great day, stay safe, bye bye.